everybody, Lewis here, Rshackbbq and other things. So tonight we're gonna do a cook. We're gonna do up some burgers. We're gonna do up some super cheesy burgers, and we're gonna do them up on the Blackstone. Stick around, let's get into this cook. To make me jump. So I'm going to show you how I mix my burger meat up here in just a minute. It's just kind of a weird night. It's peaceful. Let's have a look out here. That's not even filtered. Look at the color of that sky. Crazy. These clouds are cool. Let's see that spin around. All right, let's get in here. Let me show you how I'm gonna do this burger. Okay, usually I start out with a bowl about this size. And I'm using two different kinds of dry rubs this time. I'm gonna use some Weber burger, gourmet burger. We'll put in a good, I don't know, quarter cup, 3 or 4 tablespoons of it in there. It's probably only about 2 tablespoons. So let's get another one in there. That's good. And then we're going to go with some Montreal steak. I really like Montreal steak. We'll put in a couple teaspoons of the. We'll put in a couple tablespoons of this. Okay. Kind of get that all mixed up there. Like so. Then we want to take some Worcestershire sauce. Oh, let's just say we put in a tablespoon. Something like that. And then some liquid smoke. Yes, that's cheating, but it does wonder. Maybe just a quick couple drops of it in there. Maybe a teaspoon of it. Doesn't take much of this. Okay. Then I got my hamburger here. All I'm going to do is just drop it in there. And I'm wearing gloves, so we're going to get this all mixed up in there. It's like seasoning it from the outside in. Get it all mixed up. Always come in with more seasoning if you don't think you have enough. I probably wouldn't put any more liquid smoke on it. Now, what we're going to do is we're just going to break these into balls, and we'll try to get them all even. It's a light pack, it's not a heavy pack on them, just something like that. Looks like we'll probably get about 5 balls. Burger balls. Yeah, something like that. Okay. There we got our burgers. Okay, you can see our Blackstone's up to tip. Some oil mixed around on here, so good. Turn down the heat. Push this one right over. Let those go for a little while. Some broche buns here. Brochet. Little mail. Mail on these. Like these burgers. Oh, yeah. So we got some American cheese and we got some cheddar cheese. Some mild. We got some onions, got our buns. Let's get back over to the Blackstone. See how he's doing. They're firming up nicely. That's gonna be some good burger right there. Golly. That's mine. How's that look? Well, that's a man-sized burger. Let's try this thing. All right, cheers. That's good lemonade. All right. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to get my mouth into this thing. Look at how big that thing is. Find a good spot to take a bite. Burger. We eat good. That hamburger has so much flavor with those seasonings. A little bit of oyster, a little bit of liquid smoke. That is awesome. Those cheeses, that cheddar cheese, American. I didn't even put ketchup on this. I got ketchup on my plate. Try one of these fries. So these are just Red Robin frozen style fries. You can get it at your grocery store in the frozen section. Oh yeah. Wow, they really do taste like Red Robin. Those are good. All right. Promise I won't eat it in front of you, but I do need another drink real quick. Okay, so you saw how I did that. The main thing is how you kind of mix your seasonings into that beef. And then you add that little bit of oyster, a little bit of liquid smoke, get it all mixed together, take it and put it in balls, put it on the Blackstone flat top. I tell you, I had it on medium high, put some vegetable oil down to kind of oil it up a little bit. I need to level that thing a little better than it is, but it works. So I got that going, then I got the meat mixed up. Then I just put it on there, took my little weight, my bacon press if you want to call it, press those burgers down, kind of the smash burger technique, if you want to call it that. And then just let them go until they were, kind of crispy on one side. Beautiful crust on those. Flipped them over, let them go again. I'd say maybe 8 minutes per side. It came out beautiful. And then I put that sharp cheddar cheese on the bottom. And then I put the onions on it. And then I put the American cheese over the top of that first burger. Then the other one I just put sharp cheddar and then stacked them up. And oh man, this is a burger. Ridiculous. I'm telling you, you need to try that. Those seasonings are awesome together. Yeah, so good. Yeah, so next time I think what I'll do differently as far as toasting the buns, I like to do it with mayonnaise. It seems to work out great. But what I think I'll do with the Blackstone is I'll take the burgers off, clean it completely off so there's no grease or anything like that on there. Turn them back down to low and then put the burgers back on and the buns. And then start building the cheese and the onions on it. And I think that'll be a lot better. The buns seem to absorb a lot of the grease from the burger meat. But hey, that's just flavoring to me. Well, anyhow, I'm not going to sit here and eat the whole thing in front of you. Like I say all the time, you can do this too. It's not that hard. Thank you for watching, my friends. Until next time, grill on.